So, I'm at Big Sky Park right now and just discovered this little prairie dog community. I'll give you an idea of the area. Some cattle. Anyways, just out here waiting for the sunset, walking around, and got these little guys. You can hear them chirping. There's a whole cluster of them out here watching me and Maddie go. There's one right up here chirping at me. If we get it on camera. He's in this hole saying, "Beware, we will whoop you." Pretty cool, just another little gem I found today. Didn't know it was here. One thing I loved about Lubbock, Texas, was Prairie Dog Town, so it's cool to know I've got one. It's probably 2 miles from the house. They're chirping at us. Got Lolo Peak.